Let's talk about the latest launched BLACKVIEW smartphone Shark 8. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 2.4K IPS LCD display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, approximately 90.18% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 396 ppi pixel density, 500 nits brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 64-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GW3 main camera, along with unspecified camera. For selfies it has 13-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL 3L6 front camera, video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of docOS 4.0. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.5 by 76.6 by 8.35 millimeters, and it weighs around 198.3 grams. The color options: Galaxy Blue, Moonlight Gray, Scorching Gold. Colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, smart K-box speaker, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The BLACKVIEW Shark 8 has been expected priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 43,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $159, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 46,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $169. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this BLACKVIEW Shark 8 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.